Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the cutest Halloween decorations you can get your hands on, the GOOSH 4FT Halloween Inflatable Cute Ghost. If you're looking to add a touch of charm and spookiness to your home this Halloween season, this inflatable ghost might just be the best small Halloween inflatable you can find. Let's explore what makes this product a must-have for your holiday decor. This delightful ghost stands at a perfect height of 4 feet, making it an ideal size for both indoor and outdoor decorations. Its bright white color and cute facial expression make it incredibly appealing to children and adults alike. Whether you're setting it up in your garden, yard, or even in your living room, this inflatable ghost is sure to bring smiles to everyone who sees it. What truly sets this inflatable apart is its built-in LED lights. These lights illuminate the ghost beautifully at night, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that enhances your Halloween celebrations. Imagine how magical your yard will look when it's all lit up. Plus, the lights are energy efficient, so you can keep the spirit of Halloween shining all night long without worrying about your electric bill. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to set up. The GOOSH Inflatable comes with a powerful duty blower that ensures quick inflation. All you need to do is plug it in, and within minutes, your ghost will be standing tall. And don't worry about it flying away in the wind. It comes with stakes and ropes to secure it to the ground, ensuring it stays in place even on blustery nights. The inflatable also has a bottom zipper for fast deflation, making it convenient to store away when the season is over. Craftsmanship is another area where this inflatable shines. It's made of high-strength waterproof polyester, designed to withstand rips and tears, ensuring durability throughout the season. The excellent stitching enhances its overall sturdiness, so you can be confident that it will last through multiple Halloween celebrations. It even comes with a handy storage bag, making it easy to pack away until next year. This inflatable ghost isn't just for Halloween. Its cute appearance allows it to fit right into other holiday decorations too. You can use it for autumn-themed events, parties, or even as part of your year-round decor. It spreads a joyful atmosphere, making it a versatile addition to your collection. To sum it all up, the GOOSH 4FT Halloween Inflatable Cute Ghost is not only charming and fun, but it's also practical and easy to use. With its impressive LED lighting, durable material, and secure setup, it stands out as a top contender for the best small Halloween inflatable. So if you're looking to elevate your Halloween spirit this year, this inflatable ghost is a fantastic choice. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you loved what you saw, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews. Get ready to make your Halloween unforgettable with this adorable inflatable ghost. Happy haunting, and see you next time.